but it's a spectacular walk along the top of the cliffs. I've been here in Ardrossan. Some nice murals hidden away, little nooks and crannies. Have a look at them all. So this is where I bunkered down last night. Stop cotton. Shut up. Hey, Goose here. I'm at a town called Ardrossan on the Yorke Peninsula. Now, here's where I am, right behind me. I'm at the Ardrossan RV friendly park. It's an overnight stay. There's all the information there. Very picturesque as well. There's a nice reserve next to it. But let's go for a wander and see what Ardrossan has to offer. So there's some nice old buildings amongst the newer ones. There's another one just here. As I said, I don't really like to show too much in case they've got a window open, blinds open. But just over there is the information centre and the museum. Down the side street there, was it 5th Street? So that's where the information centre is. I did have a look at the museum. I think the museum is about $5 to go in and have a look. Over the distance, you'll see the silos. Bit of a walking track, takes you all the way out to the silos. We'll head down this way. Unfortunately, the jetty's closed at the moment. I believe there's a bit of repairs happening on it. So I was looking forward to probably wetting the line, but with the jetty, but it's definitely closed. And they've got a an area here, come down and have barbecues. Kids can have a bit of a play. Here at Ardrossan. Looks like we've got our regular TikTok or Instagram, whatever you want to call it, photo opportunity. So there you go, the Ardrossan Instagram. I've been here in Ardrossan. Oh well, let's keep going. You can walk to Yorke. They got trails all the way along. How far they go, I don't know. Well, let's head up the main street, I think. A few little bits and pieces as we're walking through. I was speaking to a guy a while back, and what's happening is a lot of the people who have got this type of memorabilia, they passed away, they passed on, and their kids and their grandkids have said no, we don't want to look after it no more, and they're donating it to whoever wants it, really, museums, towns. And as you see just there, there's a plough that's been donated by somebody. Because you've got the RSL memorial, every town's got one. I say, looking at that, it gets lit up at night. A couple of seats, Ardrossan RSL. Let's head up the main street and have a look at what they've got around the place. There's a bakery here, but it's not open right now. Oh yeah, it's open. It's a bit late for me. There's a few cafes and places we can grab a bite to eat, coffee shops. They shut at 2 o'clock. Even got the street libraries. Very, very popular. in a lot of the country towns. In my home suburb, one lady in particular, she's got hundreds of books, and the street libraries like that. But they call it the bottom pub. That one down there. And then we got this one here, top pub. So you might get a workout later on. TV reception's not that flash here in Ardrossan, and I might come down, have a beer and watch the sports, watch the footy. Of course you've got some bottle shops, Drake's. And of course you've got some murals around the place as well. And of course they've got hardware as well. Some nice murals hidden away, little nooks and crannies. And it looks like that gets lit up at night, so it might be worthwhile coming through here once the sun goes down. So there's a few murals around the place that I've seen so far. And because another whole historic building as we're passing it. Have a look at that. So, a walkabout of Ardrossan. Now, I'm down at the Ardrossan boat ramp. I just spotted something while I was sitting here. I got a distinct impression we might have a, what do you call them, a colony of seals here at the Ardrossan boat ramp. I saw them from the van when I was having a look. Have a look at them all. Hopefully they, you can see this. Have a look at all the seals at the end of the breakwater here at Ardrossan. There's one here on this Pat Malone, just on this side here, that's floating around. Just definitely I can hear the seals. Here they are, all over here. Look at them. Have a look at them all. Now, I don't go too far, so I see there's some at the end here. There they are there. Have a look at all these seals. Now I'm 20 metres away from them. Have a look. Not even that, 10 metres away now. I'm not going to go too close to them, disturb them. They're definitely not bothered with my presence here, that's for sure. They're all having a sleep. One's upside down. Ardrossan breakwater. There's a heap on the rocks here as well. Have a look at them all. As I said, I'm 5 metres away from them. They're not even bothered. Brilliant. Keep my distance, leave them to it. There's one there coming up. I'll back off a bit. There you go. Gonna have a lie down. Come up and get some sun. Have a look at that. Well, I know where I won't be fishing, that's for sure. Ardrossan seal colony. There's one for the books. Come and have a look while you're here. So the Ardrossan boat ramp, it's pretty decent. They got wash down facilities, bins, etc. There's the wash down area just there, toilets, and it looks like it's a pretty decent boat ramp by the size of some of these trails I can see here. So pretty popular. So this is where I bunkered down last night. Ardrossan's RV friendly site. Now it's got 3 sites. The one where I'm on there, there's another one over there, we got a caravan on it, and there's a third one in the back corner over there. So only the 3 sites, so it's first in, best dressed, guys. But it's free. Dump point, water, bins, all here, absolutely fantastic. Bowls club, I'm not quite sure if it's open, but I presume it would be, especially in the evenings, and a maximum 2 nights over 2 consecutive days. So a nice little free spot. The only thing that's missing is a bench or seat and table, the concrete things they put around the place, or the metal things. Would absolutely be fantastic. So that's the only downfall. It hasn't got any seating, but apart from that, beautiful place, quiet. I slept like a baby last night, didn't hear a thing. Birds woke me up this morning, and we're only about 500 metres, if that, to the beaches, just down that way to the Ardrossan foreshore, and the main town is only about a 10-minute walk to the main streets. So thank you, Ardrossan. Absolutely fantastic. The RV friendly site here at Ardrossan. Terrific. Sup, Cotton? Shut up. Sup, come down the foreshore to have breakfast, bite to eat. Cup of coffee. Picked up a little bit windy down here at the moment, but and it's amazing how the weather can change from being beautiful clear blue skies. So it looks like we might cop a bit of rain. But for now, we're still at Ardrossan, having breakfast on top of the cliffs. As you can see, it's there's the jetty down behind me over there, and in that direction you can see the silos of the jetty, the silo jetty. Well, you can actually walk it. They encourage people to walk along the cliffs here down to the boat ramp, and it's quite an enjoyable walk. I was just talking to someone a minute ago. But for now, enjoy my cup of coffee down the end of the main street. Actually, if you have a look, there I am. There's the end of the main street. Another motorhome's coming down the main street. Might go for a bit of a walk maybe, and have a look. But Ardrossan, yeah, it's quite a nice little town. You can spend a few days here, at least a couple of days here. It's plenty to see, plenty to do. If you like a bit of fishing, a bit of walking. And as I said, they've got the free camp, the free RV place, and the caravan park just down the road. So it's very popular. Well, I reckon this video's done and dusted. I hope you like it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and click on the notification bell. Stay so safe, and we'll see you on the next one.